Hello everyone, how are you? Today, allow me to continue with another segment of my video tutorial on how to use padlet.com for our lessons. If you may recall, I have created two videos before. The first one was how to sign up in padlet.com, and the second one was how to create a Padlet. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to use a specific template for your Padlet. Let's begin. Let's make a Padlet. Click Make a Padlet so that you'll be directed into this page where you could choose different templates. You could choose from different templates for your activity. Today, I'm going to use shelf. Okay, let's click Select. Okay, now we could also add the title. Okay, I would like the title to be title of my lesson, and then you could write a short description about the task, or for me, I use this for my assessed outcome. If the wallpaper is already good for you, then you can click next. If not, you could change your wallpaper by clicking this one, where you will be directed into this column of options, okay, for your wallpaper. Let's try to use textures and patterns, and of course bricks. Okay, look, my wallpaper is changed. Back, and then click next. Alright, then start posting. Now my Padlet is ready. Name your first column. Since I'm going to use this Padlet for my group activity, so the name of my columns will be the name of my teams. So I will have Team A, Team B, and Team C. If you notice that we have here plus sign, okay, in each column. So click plus sign if you want to add something in that column. So I would like to add my instructions or my task. All right, and in my task I wanted my students to watch a video, so it will be easy for them to access the video. I will upload the video here. Okay, pick a file and choose that video and open. Okay, now it's uploading. If your video is not saved in your computer and you want them to watch it on a web page, then you could click link here. Add the link, and of course, it will also be um, easy for your students to access that link by just clicking it. All right, now my video is ready. So once your students click this, they'll be able to watch the video. Then how and where they are going to write the response or their responses. Click plus again. So even if it is a group work, I still prefer my students to write their names, so I know who among them are contributing to the group. So instead of title, they have to write their name and then write the response. If another student would like to write a response, so click plus again, write the name instead of the title, and then write the response. Do the same thing for Team B and Team C. Okay, that's all for today, class. Oops, that's all for today, guys. Oh my God. Okay, so that's how I use the shelf template for my Padlet. Okay, that's funny. All right, so if you find this video tutorial useful for you, so please like or click subscribe for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and have fun teaching.